Animal Hospital is genuinely so fun. If you don't know, Animal Hospital has been getting really popular after the Dandy's World controversy. It's about checking in patients and giving them treatments without allowing anomalies in. I like the way it's executed. I played it for the first time today and got to shift 10 on my first playthrough. It's really fun, actually. I think I'll try to get my cousin to play it with me. You will play it with me. Yeah, I know you're watching.
I see you.
Also, does anyone know how to get CapCut to stop eating my quality? Anywho, go to sleep, Robin.